De Beers case. What is De Beers' core strategy to ensure success? De Beers' core corporate strategy was to become more efficient and reduce costs for mining. They carried out the strategy by acquiring large tracts of land that adjoined or was close in proximity to each other. This broad corporate strategy is ethical because they are not doing any harm to consumers, but instead making sure that their investment pays off by creating this agreement with the London Diamond Syndicate. How does De Beers' marketing strategy help the company be successful? De Beers' broad marketing strategy helps the company by assuring buyers for their investments. De Beers quickly learned that having a guaranteed buyer was critical for the long-term success of the company. This is ethical because, as stated in the previous point, De Beers is just trying to assure that their investment is worth it through these assured buyers. Should De Beers have taken a stronger stance against apartheid? Yes, because apartheid is not ethical, point blank period. Apartheid, as in our text states, is Africans for apartness, and meant that the government had the authority to separate the black and white races, as well as segregate Asian and mixed races. But by standing against apartheid means that De Beers would not have complete control over the black citizens of the country. Also, De Beers would not be able to use the South African government as an ally to ensure no employee uprisings occur due to the work conditions. Why is De Beers charged with collusion and price fixing? De Beers was charged with collusion and price fixing because they colluded with General Electric that discovered a process in which to create human-made diamonds. They began to do business with unnatural diamonds for the price of natural diamonds. This collaboration left consumers with fewer natural diamond options, and it also allowed General Electric, along with De Beers, to set a price point on the human-made diamonds. And these are my references.